How to create a line graph in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's short tutorial, I'll show you how to create a line graph in just a few simple steps. It's a super simple and built-in chart type, so you can set it up in no time. First, open up your Excel and make sure you select the data. You select the whole data you want to use for your chart. Then head over to the Insert menu and click on Chart. Now, choose on where my pointer shows. It says insert a line or area chart. Tap on it and now you can choose any of the given formats. So you can select every one and then look how it looks like and choose the one that you prefer the most. After choosing the chart, you can also change its layout, its design, and even its color. So you can choose from any color in the palette, and the lines in your line chart will have a different color according to your wish. Now, if you don't like this chart, then you can go to the change chart type option on the top and then change the chart type again according to your wish. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.